Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Xiamen University, Malaysia, and this is our idea: constructive house building, a hand gesture-based game for improving children's fine motor skill using lip motion controller. So developing fine motor skill in children is incredibly important for early kids, for especially 5 to 7 years old. Fine motor skill involve the use of smaller muscle of the hands. As children improve their fine motor skills, they develop their independence in doing a range of tasks such as eating, writing, speaking, creating, and dressing themselves. They're able to access a wider source of learning activities and social experiences. Without the ability to complete these everyday tasks, a child's self-esteem can suffer, their academic performance is compromised, and their play options are very limited. That is why having the concept of constructive play, which can develop children's fine motor skill, it can train children's coordination, manipulation, and movement ability while playing. Meanwhile, in our current era, we have lip motion controller, which is one of the devices that can realize the interaction with the virtual world with our using bare hand, because it can detect our hand and finger movement and motions. However, most of the lip motion study nowadays still involve repeated tasks in training fine motor skill, such as matching color and placing object, which is quite tedious. They have lack of engagement as a result, in which it can lead to the low motivation in the long run. And of course, it's not so suitable for children, because even we have some options like virtual reality and augmented reality, but it can actually, VR can cause the motion sickness, and AR, they have the limited screen, which is quite bothering for children. And they also have the limitation of gamification element that they implemented in their project. That is why our objective to determine the design requirement and motivation factors for building or developing the constructive house building hand gesture based game for children. And then based on that, we developed the constructive house building hand gesture based game using the Unity game engine and lip motion. And we provide our novelty in here, provide natural interaction activity, because we provide natural and spontaneous hand gesture in which you're able to using their bare hand, using the daily life gestures like rotating, scaling, placing object, with easy to comprehend and simple to understand for kids. And using the interactivity learning activity, we provide them with a lot of tasks like puzzle activities and even freedom to build their own creative house itself that they can build with the decorations, the color, imagination, the size and shape. It depends on their creativity. And also it will become the emerging new technology for them, because it's something magical, something new and unique for them, because they use the bare hand using the lip motion. So basically we have the puzzle mode and building mode, like the placement of the object, and also if they touch the timer, it can increase the time. But if they touch the explosion, they can decrease their timer. So they have to be really careful here. And also in here we also have the building modes in which they can build based on their creativity, and using our algorithm we accomplish the placement in detail, the pixel, so that they can place anywhere the decorations based on their freedom and creativity. Even the small detail like trees, like animals, flower, we put everything based on their needs. So overall, we developed this based on the comprehensive studies through systematic literature review. From the high impact journal ones, we extract the motivation factors, the hardware, the gesture type, the application flow, everything. We have done the comprehensive study one. And of course it will be benefit for the users. It will encourage their creativity, improves hand-eye coordination, assist in development of communication skill, foster independence, and improve physical awareness, and builds their confidence. And of course it will benefits to society in general, enrich the learning process by providing new experience and unique and also enjoyable. And of course it's improved the cognitive motor skill and social skill of children, and even can help other users such as special children's like autism kids and children who has a focus problem, etc. Even for the injured hands one, we can give them a possibility to rehabilitation and therapy purposes. This is also at the end of the day can be commercialized potential to the schools, to the children, and to the parents. Thank you so much.
Yeah.